There's something here. There's something looking around. It's the Pie Man! The Pie Man is hiding in the book and he's peeking at you. Oh no, it's the Pie Man! Oh. Dun dun dun. Ooh. Oh, the sands of time are running low and the Pie Man's coming. But don't worry, we can shut it down with this and turn it on again with this one. And of course it's plugged in here. Oh, the wonders of modern technology. Now this was a bigger job than it should have been. Raspberry Pi, header extension to a 3.5-inch screen, and this was the problem. Mounting the screen in the box, you see I had to countersink it and I had to resolder this to get it onto the GPIO outputs. Okay, that's basically it. It shouldn't need a fan, there's lots of room in here. If needs be, we can put some holes here and here out of sight to allow airflow. But it's a big box. It should be okay. So of course, it's a Raspberry Pi. Hence, that's the Pie Man. And I thought it'd look nice with the boxes like that, you see, making it look kind of strewn, but deliberately strewn, obviously. Watch out, there's a Pie Man above.